Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the new campus of Nalanda University in Rajgir, Bihar. US President Joe Biden has announced a new effort to provide a path to citizenship to hundreds of thousands of immigrants in the US who are married to American citizens but lack legal status in the country. India Meteorological Department has forecast the heat wave to severe heat wave conditions prevailing over many parts of North India will gradually abate from today onwards. Congress leader and elected member of Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi has resigned from his seat from Wayanad parliamentary constituency of Kerala. In cricket, the Indian women's team will face off against the South African women's team in the second of the three-match ODI series at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru this afternoon.